Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of a series I'm going to be doing this month where I want to share some cookie decorating ideas for Christmas cookies. I'm going to start with stockings. Outline and flood the cookie. I'm using icing of 10 to 15 second consistency, and using a toothpick or a scribe tool, just smooth out all the edges and make sure there are no air bubbles. While I flood the next cookie, I let the first one dry out a little bit, and then I add some colored sugar crystals. I love using this method for two reasons. First, I don't have to color the icing, and second, the sugar gives a shine and a texture to the cookie that is really nice. Brush away the excess sugar and let it dry for about 30 minutes, and then add the icing on the rest of the cookie. You could leave it like this, it will look really nice. I'm going to finish them off with some non-pareil white sprinkles just to add a little bit more texture. They look like snow. And then let it dry, brush off the excess, and the cookies are done. Next, I want to show you candy canes in 3 different ways. For the first design, I'm kind of copying the lines on the actual candy cane. I'm going to use the white icing like before, and I'm going to use my toothpick to make the lines as even as I can. And then I'm going to use the red sugar crystals again to cover these lines. I'm going to let these dry for at least 30 minutes after adding the sugar, and then I'm going to add the white icing in between the red lines. For the third design, I'm going to outline and flood the entire cookie. And again, using my toothpick, I'm going to even out the edges and make sure there are no air bubbles. I'm going to let this dry for at least 1 hour, and then I proceed to the next step. Once the icing has dried, I'm going to use my red edible color marker, and I'm just going to draw the stripes to finish the candy cane. And that's it. Here are all 3 cookies ready to go. Which one is your favorite? Stay tuned for next video where I show you the snowman and the snowflakes. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!